Traditional probate can be overwhelming. Fortunately, New Jersey offers a streamlined shortcut, the Small Estate Affidavit. In New Jersey, a small estate affidavit, or affidavit of assets and declaration, bypasses the complex probate maze. It offers families a simplified process, reduced costs, and faster resolution. To qualify in New Jersey, surviving spouses or domestic partners can claim intestate estates up to $50,000. For other heirs, the limit is $20,000 and requires consent from all remaining heirs. Crucially, this process is generally only for intestate estates. If there is a will, you cannot use this affidavit. Filing is simple. Complete the affidavit, attach the death certificate, and sign before a notary. File it at the local surrogate's court. Once approved, present it to institutions to claim the assets. Remember, you remain personally liable for estate debts and taxes. This video is not legal advice. Always consult a New Jersey probate attorney. We hope this guide to New Jersey small estate affidavits helps you navigate the process with less stress. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments.